So we continue with chapter number 5. Okay, and our topic is Kidimas, order of preference, right? So also, just to remind us, a little summary: order of preference whom to give tzedakah, right? And we said the normal circumstances are the exception. So in the case of a special need, of course you can skip the levels. Okay. Continue. Next section: not giving everything to one indigent, diversified giving. Okay. When one distributes his tzedakah funds, he should make sure to diverse his money and give to as many indigent as possible, rather than just to one. So that's why I'm just saying. That's why it's very beneficial, as Rabbi Reuven Shlita always say. When you send the money, of course, if you want the money to go to specific cause, yeah, you send the money, they're going to a specific cause. But if you don't say to what cause you want to be sent this money, so they're going to spread the money. So you never know. Maybe $1 is going to get to poor people, one is to the movie, one is to that, and one to this, and one to support Torah scholar. Right? So it's many times it's not proper to tell them what to do. Right? They know better. Like if you already trust that that organization, that they're God-fearing people, so let them decide where money is more needed. Okay. Continue. There are two reasons for this. First is for the benefit of the poor, meaning we try to benefit as many poor people as possible. If a person would give to one indigent, and the other impoverished people would still be in need. Okay. In order to prevent this unfortunate situation, Chazal instituted that one should give to as many indigent as possible. Right. So, and plus, as we explained before, it's not only about money that they get, but also spiritually that they see that the people care. People, even though they don't give enough, but at least that they care, they give some. Also very important. The other reason is for the benefit of the giver. Okay, so what is the benefit? One who wants to accustom himself to giving, to develop the characteristic of being charitable and caring person, so that in actuality becomes part of his persona, will accomplish this not by increasing the amount of the donation, but rather by increasing the number of donations. And we actually learned it in a class of Hilchos Dios of Rambam, when Rambam and actually in some parts actually we learn in Shmona Prakim class. It's all online. Right, and we said that Rambam said the person has to develop character traits, and he has to go in the middle of the road, right? Except two character traits, all of them in the middle of the road. Should not be too stingy. Should not like throw out the money just with a free hand, right? So it must be in the middle of the road. And he said if he's a stingy, so trying to give $100, let's say. Don't give it to one person, but give it to 100 people. And why? Because every time you give. And Rambam explained it's going to affect your character. So our character affected by our actions, and our actions affected our character. And what is our character? Is our nature, becomes our nature. It's when you habitually give to many people, it's going to become your nature, and you like, and especially if people thank you, 100 people thank you, that's amazing feeling. Okay. Okay. That's amazing feeling. I just remember when we go to Israel, to Jerusalem, there are many people during the prayer, they come to collect. Of course, locals, they don't make much money. I mean, of course, we don't pray in rich people's synagogues. Right? They're simple people. And of course, the tourists can afford like 2 times or 3 times more. So, of course, these poor people that thank non-stop. Okay. And it's an unbelievable feeling just to help others. So, and it's, as you said, it changes your personality. So not the amount of donation, but number of the donation. Okay. This is based on the Mishnah. Everything depends on the abundance of good deeds. Okay, it's where is it from? Pirkei Avos 3:15. Okay. So and they give our example. It's from Rambam. $100. Give it $1 to each person. However, we do not instruct people to limit their gifts to only small donations, because then the benefit of the poor person, would be negligible. Therefore, one should balance the giving to satisfy both requirements. Identify several poor people and to receive large donation, which will make a significant difference to them, and disperse small donations to many other indigents as well. So let's read this formula one more time, and we're going to explain. So of course, as Rambam told us, and this author just explained to us, of course, you give this $1 to each person. Okay. I mean, they thank you very much, but still, it's not going to affect their life, right? It's going to help you, but it's not everything about you and I. It's about them as well, right? First of all, about them. Of course, you're working on your character, but it should be balanced. So one more time, and we're going to explain. However, we do not instruct people to limit their gifts to only small donations, right? So he said, I have $1,000, I'm going to give in $1 bills, right? That's not a good idea. Because the benefit to the poor person would be negligible. Okay, it's not like enough for them to buy food even, right? Therefore, one should balance his giving to satisfy his requirement. Okay, so balance and plus we're working on ourselves, so right, and plus they have to benefit. Identify several poor people to receive the large donations. So if you have I don't know, $500 to give away, let's say you're a rich person, have $500 to give away, so let's say you give 100 to each of the poor people. It should help them. And the rest you give in small increments, $10, $20 to other people, $1, right? One second. Identify several poor people, receive large donations, which will make the significant difference to them, and distribute the smaller donation to many other indigents as well. So you balance, not everything in small donations.